Sairam, dear children, welcome to today's maths class. We will start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. You can join your hands. Om, Om, Om. Dear children, today we are going to start a new lesson, and new lesson is lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, you can see the pattern. Okay, so I have presented the lesson before you. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Is visible.
Visible. How is my sound? Is it clear?
Sound is also clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. This is the new lesson, children. Can you see the pattern in day-to-day life, in anything, everything, everywhere, in the nature also, in the clothes also, in our houses also, we can see different types of patterns. Here is such a situation. Here, Isha, your skirt is beautiful. This Isha's friend tells Isha that your skirt is looking very beautiful. Isha is showing her the design of her skirt and in her toe. Okay, so you can see a very beautiful design here. It is a type of block print design. Then Isha says, my mother made this pattern. I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. Then this girl says, I have seen another cloth in a kurta using the same block, another design is made. Okay, how was it different? Then Isha wants to know what type of design it is using the same block, a different design. Okay, then you can see this design in her skirt. This block, it is kept straight, then it is upside down. This part is down, then up, then down. This is an up down pattern made with blocks. Okay, in your skirt, she says, in your skirt, the rule of the pattern is one up, one down, one up, one down. Then this is repeated. Okay, is it correct? Up, down, repeated. Okay, but in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes a 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means, children, it is 90-degree turn. Okay, 1/4 turn means 90-degree turn. For example, let me take this block. You can see this block. See, you look at this end. Okay, and if we rotate it towards this side, you can see when it reach here, we can say that it is 1/4 turn. It is shown here. This block, this part, see, this part in the second one, it is here. That means this is called 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn is same as 90-degree turn. So it was here and it reached here. So it rotated in L shape. So that is 90-degree turn. 90-degree turn and 1/4 turn is same. Then you see this block, this part. In the next picture, it has rotated and reached here. See, here. Then in the next, from here it turned to the left and it reached here, this one. Then in the next, it rotated and reached here, this one. That means this one and this one are same. Okay, how many rotations? 4 turns it take to come to the original position. Again, it is repeating. See, this second and this are same, this third and this are same, like that. So this rule is called 1/4 turn, and since it has turned clockwise this way, just like a clock moving, we call it as 1/4 clockwise turn. It has another name also, 1/4 right turn. 1/4 right turn. 90-degree right turn. 90-degree clockwise turn. All are same. Okay. Now you use these two rules to make patterns with this block. Another block it is. Also make your own rule. Okay. Did you see, children? These two blocks are same, but here rule is different. Here rule is different. When rule changes, the design also changes. Is it clear to you? Yes? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to the second
Okay,
page.
ma'am.
Turns and patterns. Look at this block. This is a flower block. We make three different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. That means you have to turn according to this arrow in this direction. This is called a clockwise moving. Okay, movement. Rule 1. Repeat it with a 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means 90-degree turn. That means this petal which I am showing you will come here in this place. See? Okay, and now this petal will come at this place. Okay, then this petal will come at this place, this one. Then these two are same, then these two are same. So when 4 turns, it will come to the original position. Okay, we can make the turn anti-clockwise also, in the opposite, anti-clockwise, but here it is clockwise. Okay, got it? Now rule 2. Repeat it with a half turn. Repeat with a half turn. What is half turn? Half turn means actually upside down. Upside down. Okay, let us see. See this block. Here you can see the flower in straight. Okay, in the second one, this flower will go, just take a turn. It will take a turn and upside down. The top part will come to the bottom and the bottom will come to the part. Here you see, you can see flower upward and leaf downward. What happened here? Leaf upward and flower downward. In the next one, flower
Downward.
upward, leaf downward. In this, upside down. Again, upside down. Like that. Okay. So this is called a half turn. That means one half turn. When it take one more half turn, it will come to the original one. Okay. Half turn is this one. Okay. Then actually in half turn, 180 degree it goes. See, you see this arrow. This arrow is in the shape of our protractor, is it not? So how many degrees? If I draw a line like this, it is just like it's a semicircle and it is looking like a that instant D, which you say D. Okay. Yes. So 180 degree turn. Half turn means 180 degree turn. Then rule 3. Repeat it with a 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn means 3/1/4 turn. You can see this. You see this flower. This is the pink part, petals. Then in the next one, it has taken 1/1/4 turn, one more 1/4 turn, one more 1/4 turn. Then you got this. 3/1/4 turns make a 3/4 turn. Got it, children? Now in the next one, this petal will go first here, second here, then here. The petals will be here. See this one. Got it? And similarly, 1, 2, 3 petals will be here. This one. I hope you understood. This is called a 3/4 turn. Got it or not, children? Yes. Yes. Now
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
going to practice time.
Yes.
What should come next? You can see this. You just look at this small square in which this picture is made. This is a square. I shall tell you one easy method to find out. And see this square. And suppose this square is divided into 8 parts. One part is this. Okay. Second part is here. Third part is like this. And next is here. Next is in this corner. This here middle. This corner. Middle. This corner. That means every corner and one middle part. This, here a middle, here a middle part, here a middle part. This way it is moving. Now you see this circle. Inside the circle you can see a green line. Is it not? And this green line is pointed towards this corner. Okay. Then in the next one, this green line is moved from this corner to the center line. See, center line. Okay. Then in the next, this green line is moved to the next corner. Okay. That means this circle is rotating in such a way that this center line is once goes to the corner, then to the center, then to the corner, then to the center. Got it? Now you see it is in this corner. So what will be the next? It will be here. Okay. In the next picture, it will be pointing towards this corner. Are you able to make it? Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Now, see children, in this PDF, here it is written 1. But in your textbook, it is written, here it is written N. N and then here Z. Then N. Then what will be the next? Z. Next one will be N. Okay. Yes. Here
N.
it is written 1. Okay. And this 1 is here, center of the block. Then this part is in this place here. Okay. This way. Okay. 90 degree. It turned 90 degree. Then it has come to this way. Then you can do the next. See, same. Then next one you can do. But in the book, when you do it, it is NZ like that. Okay. So you will not see this one here in your book. Okay. Then next one is same. You can see a triangle. Inside the triangle, 4 dots, and at the vertex or in this corner, 1 dot. But here the circle, this triangle has no change. Triangle is like looking just like that. But where is the change? Change is in the circle. Here circle is in this side, 4 circles, 4 dots, I'm sorry, 4 dots, and that 4 dots have moved to the next side. And this single dot moved to the next corner. See, from here it has moved to this. So can you do the next? Yes. Similar, same in the
Yes,
book
ma'am.
also. Next one, you can see there is a circle. Inside the circle, there is a shape, and circle is like that only. But this shape is moving from here. It is moving to this place. Then this shape will move to the top. Then next, the shape it will move from here. It will move to this. Then to this. Then to this. You can make it. Okay. And now, children, here also there is a change. See this pattern. When you open your book and see, you will get question number A. Here, what is written? F. F will be written. Here, some shape is written. Okay. Shape is made, but actually it is capital F. Okay. If suppose it is capital F, it is just like the previous one. Here, the end is pointing to the center, but this end is pointing to the corner. Now that end is pointing to the center, then this is pointing towards the corner. So what will be the next? Pointing towards the center, like that. Okay.
Center.
As I told you, this is half of 90 degree. That means it is a 45 degree turn. The rule of the pattern is turning 45 degree each time, and that too in the clockwise direction. Okay, which will be the next? Tick the right one. If it is here like this, what will be the next? This point will come to the center. So this will be the answer. Okay, in the book you can draw F very easily. Okay, now the next is also in the book something else is given, here something else is given. In your book, here it is L given, same pattern. Okay, just like this one, same. You can do that. And here instead of 3, capital P is given, same pattern, 45 degree turn. You can do that also. Okay, okay children. Did you understand? Do this much today?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Do this much?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now we will continue the book in the next day. Now let us try something in the Tata classes. Let me type the school's name. Okay. then username, and then password. Okay, let me try signing in. Okay, class 5. Can you see the pattern? Patterns in shapes and designs. And here is a video of exploring patterns. Okay, and this video tells you about patterns in nature. Okay, shall we play it? Okay.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
I'm Kabir. And I'm Jessie. Today, we are going to explore patterns in our world. There are patterns all around us. Have a look.
Okay, children, patterns are all around us in every season. This says spring, summer, monsoon, winter. In all the seasons, you can see different types of patterns. Okay.
Now look at how the beads in my necklace are arranged. There are many ways in which we can describe this pattern. You could say 3 blue beads followed by 1 red bead. Or you could say 1 red bead followed by 3 blue beads. Either way, it's the pattern rule of the necklace. Understanding the pattern rule helps us predict how the pattern will repeat. This pattern of red and blue beads is a repeating pattern because it is repeated several times. Now take a look at this pattern. This type of pattern is called the growing pattern. You will see that each line contains 1 dot more than the previous line. So that's the pattern rule. Repeat with 1 dot more. Take a look at this example of a growing pattern. Can you identify the pattern rule for it? Didn't get it? Well, you've got to think harder. I'm not telling you the answer for this one. Numbers can also have interesting patterns. In this set of numbers, 5 is added each time to obtain the next number in the set. Here's another set of numbers. In this set, the pattern is formed by multiplying the last number by 2 each time. While there are some patterns you can see, there are other patterns you can hear. Did you just hear that? There was a pattern in the cuckoo's call, wasn't there? Click on the cuckoo to hear its call again. Can you identify the pattern?
Okay, let me click on the cuckoo.
The cuckoo made 1 long sound followed by 2 short sounds and kept repeating this. Amazing, isn't it?
Okay, children, let us go to the next.
Well, the sun is just about to set. The rising and setting of the sun is another wonderful pattern in our lives. It sure is. Well, we have to head back home now. I hope you'll appreciate all the patterns that you come across in your daily life. See you later.
Okay, children, how was the video? Yes.
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Good, good. You can also look for different patterns at your in your home, in clothes, in window grills, and in and around your home. Okay, you have to do that. Okay, so let me log out from here. Okay, and we will stop today's class here. So for all of you can join your hands for Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, take care. Bye. We will meet tomorrow in the next video.